So whenever I need to generate a invoice, I just go on Google and search invoice generator and use one of the website that pop up on the search result. And they're not that bad. They're online, free. But the problem is most of the time, either they are not fully customizable. Let's say if I want to remove some part, don't want that, you can't remove it. Or sometimes there is something missing that you want to add. You can't add it. It's just fixed. Plus it's online, so all of your data will be saved. Probably. There are many invoice generators out there. Some of them are just too complicated or not well designed, or some of them are paid. You have to sign in and all that. And I was kind of frustrated. I just wanted a simple invoice generator that lets me customize almost everything inside the template. Okay, these are basically a template that you just fill in and create your invoice. So because of the frustration, I created my own invoice generator. It's called KB Invoice Generator. To be honest, I was not gonna release this publicly. I made this for my personal use because I needed a invoice generator that works the way I want. Like I can fully customize it, remove every single thing that I want while keeping it very simple. So when I made this and saw the results, I was like truly impressed by the app. To be honest, I actually used AI to build this. It's not a too complicated application to build, but whoever builds the softwares, they want some profit. Either they'll have ad or they will be hosted online, so your data will be saved or used. So there is hardly any, open source plus fully offline invoice generator available out there. Even if it is available, maybe it's not gonna be as good as my invoice generator. Okay, so I created a GitHub repo. It's the KB Invoice Generator. If you guys don't know, I have also created other apps such as Kilobit System Monitor, SCRCPY GUI, which is one of the most popular app made by me. You should go and check out my GitHub page if you want to, check out my other apps. This one, again, I made it for my personal use, but I thought, why not share it with the world? I don't need to keep it myself. Maybe other people will benefit from it. And it's completely free, no ads, plus it just works offline. I made it using the TypeScript, Tauri, CSS, pretty simple application. If you want to download it, you can go to GitHub page and then go to releases. And then from here, you can download the Windows version .exe or app image for Linux. And there is the DMG for Apple users if you're on Mac OS or something. Okay, you just simply click on the setup file and just install it. After you have installed it, just open it up and you'll see this user interface. Right now, there is only one template. I'm planning to make more templates to choose from. If this app gets popular and people demand for more templates, yeah, sure, I'll add more templates in here. Okay, so you'll see only one template. You can just click on it. The template will open and everything will be filled up for you as an example, like the name, the address, and it will automatically set a current date. So you don't have to do it manually, and the net due date will be 7. If you want to, you can change it here. Okay, you just simply click on it or just write it down. Make sure you click on that show date picker icon, that calendar icon, and set your date in here. And after that, you can give it your invoice number and all that. You can add your products. It's very simple, just like every other invoice generator out there, but highly customizable. Okay, you can remove things easily, reorder things easily. Anything can be removed. You don't want the shipping thingy there, you can just do that. You don't want the discount thingy there, you do that. There is a side panel. You can change the currency from here. You can change the brand theme. Right now, the theme only applies to the main bold text, not in the background. I don't need that right now, so that's why I don't have it here. I might add a background color or graphic adding feature here, but for now, this is what I want, so I built it this way. Okay, you can also upload your logo. You can also toggle every element inside the invoice template from the side panel. Show logo, uncheck that and hide it. Address, bank details, payment terms, everything can be removed and re-added again at anytime. And when you try to fill a certain thing, it will also give you a hint. And you can also save presets. I have created one preset here. You can create multiple presets. So if you need to use the same information again and again, you can simply click on that preset and it will load that up. Let me click that. Now I can't show you guys all the info in here because it's kind of personal, but basically this is a customized preset that I saved in here. You can also export a backup as a JSON file. It's not working for some reason. Okay, I'll fix that. But for now, you can use the preset and drafts. You just fill up the invoice and then name it and save it as a preset. Okay. You can also import a backup. You have to select a JSON file. Oh, my bad. When you click on export backup, it will automatically export a JSON file backup of your current invoice that you have filled up, and it won't show you the prompt that it saved the backup. I'll fix that, don't worry. It works, but we need to add a notification saying that the backup is exported to this location or something, you know. Once you have filled up everything, you can click on export PDF, and here you can preview your PDF one more time. It will basically use a print feature of the web browser, and here you can save it as a PDF, or you can just directly print it out from your printer. And it will also name your invoice to whatever invoice number you have. Like right now, it's invoice INV 0001. So if you have 2, it will just do 2, 3, 4. So yeah, this is the KB invoice generator. Do you use any invoice generators? If yes, then you should try out my invoice generator. It's very good, at least for me. Okay, it works the way I want. Plus, it's completely offline, free, open source. No data is being stored. There is no cloud service. If you know me, I'm just a simple guy who makes tech tutorial videos. Now, thanks to AI, I also make some apps to solve some real world issues that big companies don't care about. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this app? And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.